Are you tired of lackluster lead generation? Meet Lead Laundry, the game changer in performance marketing. This Brisbane-based agency transformed lead qualification using web chatbots, yielding stunning results. Lead Laundry faced tough challenges pre-qualifying leads for their clients. Traditional lead capture forms fell flat. They needed a better way to engage leads on their clients' websites. Enter Landbot, the solution they were searching for. With Landbot chatbots, Lead Laundry enhanced their client sales funnels. The chatbots automatically score leads in real time while keeping them engaged. This adaptive tool flexibly meets each client's unique needs. Lead Laundry highlights two standout features of Landbot. 1. A scoring system that pinpoints the best leads. 2. White label options, reinforcing client branding. The results speak for themselves. Lead Laundry achieved a 35% uplift in conversion rates while lowering cost per lead. One client, fueled by these leads, built a $100 million Australian dollar managed fund. Are you ready to elevate your lead generation? Explore how Landbot can transform your marketing. Click now to get started.